Hello, my name's Eloise Finch-Boyer. I'm CEO of Sell Beyond. We help brands grow on Amazon in French, German, Spanish, Italian, as well as English, and we're based in South Suffolk. If you're an e-commerce company and you want to grow your Amazon channel, you've got two choices. You either outsource to a marketing agency, which will be really good at English marketing, but will not be good at foreign languages, or you go to a translation agency, very good with foreign languages, won't know anything about Amazon. What we've done here at Sell Beyond is to combine those two disciplines and add them with reporting and analysis and strategic consulting to create a company which can help you grow on Amazon in English, French, German, Spanish and Italian consistently. How do we do that? We spent 24 months developing robust quality control processes to make sure that we deliver to high standards consistently across multiple languages and across multiple target markets.